Hello students, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to step our little step toward lesson 3, that is organ system. You remember student, we have started our journey of EVS in this session from hobbies. Yes, you remember our first chapter was hobby. We understood how we spend our time, free time. Okay, and then we move toward then we move to our family as first school. We understand the importance of family in our life. Yes, we understand how we get our habits and values. Okay, and in this particular chapter student, we are going to understand the system of our body. Okay, how it works and all those things we are going to understand in this particular chapter. Okay, so let's get the point. What are the things we are going to learn in this chapter? So let's move ahead. See here, lesson number 3, and what is the name of lesson? Organ system. Date is written here. Now organ system, what are the objectives? Objectives means what are the things we are going to learn in this particular chapter. We are going to understand what are the organs inside our body. And no doubt, firstly, we will understand what actually are organs. Okay, then we will understand different organ systems and their part. Okay, our body simply does not have only one organ system. There are many organ systems inside our body which work in collaboration. Okay, they all are interconnected. They work as a team to make our body function. Okay, that we are going to understand. Then we will understand the effect of daily activities on our organ system. Okay, that we will understand how our daily activity affect this organ system. Okay, and by the end of this chapter we will understand the position of different organs inside our body. Okay, by this chapter, when it's completed, all these things we should be able to answer or understand. Okay, all these points should be clear to all of you when this chapter is going to end. Okay, so let's move ahead and get familiar with this chapter. So this chapter start with an activity. Okay, so here activity from book. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. So while you breathe in, you know that air is moving from your nose, getting inside, but where it is going inside, it waited there for a while and again came out. We exhaled out. So there may be some organs there, or there may be something there, some body parts there which are connected so that your air is moving inside and it is coming outside. So what are those things? They all are organs. Some of them you are seeing from outside, like our nose, you can see air moving inside, but inside where air is going, can you see that? No, you are not able to see that. Those are our internal organs. Okay, we will come to that later. So in this picture you can see a boy eating. Take a chips or biscuit, your favorite food item, put it inside your mouth, chew it, eat it. Okay, now swallow it. From mouth, do you know that you can see your mouth, your tongue and teeth, you are chewing it. It is from mouth, it is going inside. Where is it going inside? Yes, you in the class 3, you are aware of the word stomach. Yes, you are aware of that, na student. So from our mouth, how food is reaching the stomach? There should be some system, there should be some organ, some body part should be there which is taking food from here to here, and then later your body uses that food and the waste material is thrown out of our body. Yes, so many organs or many body parts are working together as a team to make this body function. Okay, all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. So our body is a wonderful machine made by God. Yes, you consider it a wonderful machine now, because why it is a wonderful machine? We do so many things daily. Yes, we eat, we drink, okay, we breathe, we dance, we can think, we can imagine, we can paint, we can ride a cycle, you can run fast, you can do many things, student. There are long list of things which you can do with your body. Okay, so now let's understand our body. Okay, so some of the body parts, student, you can see outside, you are familiar, be it our hair, our nose, lips, teeth, hand, legs. Okay, these are external body parts which you can see with your eyes. Yes, you can see all these now, but there are some internal organs also, okay, which you cannot see with your eyes, but they are there and they function. So now let's move ahead and understand, if a body part is doing one particular thing, there is a name for that, there is a particular term for that. We call that organs. So what is the definition of organ here? See here, the part of body that help us to do special and important work are called organs. Like for example, eyes help us to see. Its work is to make us see things around us. So it is doing one specific task. Like for example, nose help us to breathe or take air inside. It is also having one work. Okay, now our heart, you are familiar with the word heart na? Eyes and nose are external organs, you can see from your eyes, but some of the organs you cannot see, but you are aware of that. If you keep your hand here and notice or feel it, you can feel the dhak 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 tick tock of your heart. You can feel it now. So your heart is present. You know that when you eat something, you are saying, mama, now don't give me food, my stomach is full. So that means, you know, you are having an internal organ, stomach also. Okay, so these organs means any body part that help us to do one special work or one special task, then they are called organ. Okay, some are external, which you can see with your eyes, some are internal, inside your body. Okay, this is clear. Now let's move little bit ahead. Now, just now we talk about nose, okay, but when we do breathing or respiration, air moves from here, then it moves inside, and inside it is going to lungs. So together our nose, pipe here, and our lungs, they together are working as a team. So when any group of organs which are together working for a specific task, here nose, our windpipe and lungs, they are together working for respiration, it together form respiratory system. Okay, they form an organ system called respiratory system. And in our body there are different types of organ system in our body. Some you are familiar, let me move it here. Okay, now it is clear. Now it is visible little bit. In our body there are various type of organ system. So what are organ system, student? The group of organs inside our body that do specific tasks are called organ system. And in our body there are various types of organ system. Okay, one just now I described you about respiratory system. Then you know heart is pumping blood, but if it is pumping blood, that blood is moving all over our body. So which body part is taking blood throughout our body? Some another organs are associated or working together with heart. So these together form another organ system, that is circulatory system. Okay, we talked about eating food going inside, reaching a stomach, then expelled outside. It form another organ system, that is digestive system. All these there. Okay, so in our body there are so many different types of organ system, and in this particular chapter, student, we are going to learn about different organ system which are present in our body. Okay, it was just an introductory video to make you clear or make you understand what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so now let's revise what are the things we are learned today or understood today in a small video. First thing, the body part that help us to do a special and important work is called or are called organs. Eyes, nose, teeth. Okay, these are single organs. Okay, and they do one special task. Then some are internal, which we cannot see. Some are external, which you can see with your eyes. Okay, and few of these organs work together, they form an organ system. See, have the definition of organ system. The group of organs inside our body, inside means on our body, may it be external or internal, inside our body, that do special task. are called organ system. And in our body there are various types of different types of organ system which we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay student, if you are having any doubt, you feel free to contact me. Okay.